Which of the following union territories has the lowest population density? A. Daman and Diu. B. Dadra and Nagar Haveli. C. Andaman and Nicobar. D. Puducherry. The correct answer is C. Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar is a union territory of India in the Bay of Bengal. It is the largest union territory in India by area, but the least populous. The population density of Andaman and Nicobar is 38 people per square kilometer, which is much lower than the national average of 464 people per square kilometer. The low population density of Andaman and Nicobar is due to a number of factors, including its remote location, its tropical climate, and its mountainous terrain. The territory is also home to a number of indigenous tribes, who have traditionally lived in isolation from the outside world. The low population density of Andaman and Nicobar has both positive and negative implications. On the positive side, it means that the territory has a relatively pristine environment. On the negative side, it means that the territory has a limited infrastructure and a small economy. The Government of India has been working to develop Andaman and Nicobar in recent years. The territory has seen an increase in tourism, and the government has invested in infrastructure projects such as roads, airports, and power plants. However, the territory remains one of the most remote and underdeveloped parts of India. Kamla Prasad Bisesa is the Prime Minister of A. Guyana. B. Jamaica. C. Madagascar. D. Trinidad and Tobago. The correct answer is D. Kamla Prasad Bisesa is the former Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago. She was the first woman to hold the office. She served as Prime Minister from 2010 to 2015. A. Guyana is a country in South America. The current Prime Minister of Guyana is Mark Phillips. B. Jamaica is an island country in the Caribbean Sea. The current Prime Minister of Jamaica is Andrew Holness. C. Madagascar is an island country in the Indian Ocean. The current Prime Minister of Madagascar is Christian Anseh. Which one of the following is the correct ascending order of the states in terms of urban population as per 2001 census? A. West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, UP and Maharashtra. B. Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, UP and West Bengal. C. Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, UP and West Bengal. D. Maharashtra, Gujarat, UP and West Bengal. The correct answer is C. The urban population of India as per 2001 census is as follows: Maharashtra, 66,814,000; Tamil Nadu, 44,960,000; Uttar Pradesh, 31,184,000; West Bengal, 29,645,000. Therefore, the ascending order of the states in terms of urban population as per 2001 census is Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. The other options are incorrect because they do not match the data from the 2001 census. Two major producers of natural rubber in the world are A. Brazil and Malaysia. B. Vietnam and India. C. China and Philippines. D. Thailand and Indonesia. The correct answer is A. Brazil and Malaysia. Brazil and Malaysia are the two major producers of natural rubber in the world. In 2020, Brazil produced 1.5 million metric tons of natural rubber, while Malaysia produced 1.4 million metric tons. These two countries account for over 60% of the world's natural rubber production. The other options are incorrect. Vietnam and India are not major producers of natural rubber. China and the Philippines are minor producers of natural rubber. Thailand and Indonesia are not among the top 10 producers of natural rubber. Natural rubber is a white, milky fluid that is produced by some plants. It is a polymer of isoprene, and it is used in a variety of products, including tires, shoes, and gloves. Which plateau lies between the Aravalli and the Vindhya ranges? A. Malva. B. Kota Nagpur. C. Deccan. D. Bundelkhand. The correct answer is A. Malva. The Malva Plateau is a large plateau in central India. It is located between the Aravalli Range to the north and the Vindhya Range to the south. The plateau is drained by the Chambal River, which flows from west to east. The Malva Plateau is a major agricultural region, and is also home to a number of important cities, including Indore, Bhopal, and Ujjain. The Kota Nagpur Plateau is a plateau in eastern India. It is located between the Himalayas to the north, the Vindhya Range to the south, and the Eastern Ghats to the east. The plateau is drained by the Damodar River, which flows from west to east. The Kota Nagpur Plateau is a major coal-producing region, and is also home to a number of important cities, including Ranchi, Jamshedpur, and Dhanbad. The Deccan Plateau is a large plateau in southern India. It is located between the Western Ghats to the west and the Eastern Ghats to the east. The plateau is drained by the Godavari River, which flows from west to east, and the Krishna River, which flows from north to south. The Deccan Plateau is a major agricultural region, and is also home to a number of important cities, including Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Pune. The Bundelkhand Plateau is a plateau in central India. It is located between the Vindhya Range to the north and the Satpura Range to the south. The plateau is drained by the Ken River, which flows from west to east. The Bundelkhand Plateau is a major agricultural region, and is also home to a number of important cities, including Jhansi, Gwalior, and Desha. The northern part of the western coastal plain of India is also known as A. Karnataka coast, B. Malabar, C. Konkan, D. Coromandel. The correct answer is C. Konkan is the northern part of the western coastal plain of India. It is a narrow strip of land that runs along the Arabian Sea coast from Gujarat to Goa. The Konkan is a hilly region with a tropical climate. The main crops grown in the Konkan are rice, sugarcane, and coconuts. The Konkan is also a popular tourist destination, known for its beaches, temples, and wildlife sanctuaries. The other options are incorrect. A. Karnataka coast is the southern part of the western coastal plain of India. B. Malabar is the southwestern part of the western coastal plain of India. D. Coromandel is the eastern part of the southern coastal plain of India. Which one of the following islands of the East Indies is divided into three countries? A. Borneo, B. Celebes, C. New Guinea, D. Timor Ansa. The correct answer is A. Borneo. Borneo is the third largest island in the world, after Greenland and New Guinea. It is divided into three countries, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei. The Indonesian part of Borneo is called Kalimantan. The Malaysian part is called Sarawak and Sabah. Brunei is a small country that is located on the northern coast of Borneo. Celebes, New Guinea, and Timor are all islands that are located in the East Indies. However, they are not divided into three countries. Celebes is an island that is located in Indonesia. New Guinea is an island that is divided between Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. Timor is an island that is divided between Indonesia and East Timor. Here is a map of the East Indies. As you can see, Borneo is the only island in the East Indies that is divided into three countries. The dietary steel plant is located in which of the following states? A. Odisha, B. Maharashtra, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Karnataka. The correct answer is A. Odisha. The Rourkela steel plant is a steel plant located in Rourkela, Odisha, India. It is one of the largest integrated steel plants in India. The plant was established in 1954 with the help of the Soviet Union. It is a public sector undertaking under the Ministry of Steel. The plant has a capacity of 3 million tons of crude steel per annum. It produces a variety of steel products, including hot-rolled coils, cold-rolled coils, galvanized steel sheets, and pipes. The plant also has a captive power plant and a captive coal mine. The Rourkela steel plant is a major employer in Odisha. It provides direct employment to over 20,000 people and indirect employment to over 100,000 people. The plant is also a major contributor to the state's economy. The other options are incorrect because, B. Maharashtra, the Billai steel plant is located in Billai, Chhattisgarh. C. Tamil Nadu, the Salem steel plant is located in Salem, Tamil Nadu. D. Karnataka, the Bhadravati steel plant is located in Bhadravati, Karnataka. Which one of the following countries is not a coffee-producing country in the world? A. Ecuador, B. Colombia, C. Brazil, D. Chile. The correct answer is D. Chile. Ecuador, Colombia, and Brazil are all major coffee-producing countries. Ecuador is the 10th largest coffee producer in the world, Colombia is the 3rd largest, and Brazil is the largest. Chile, on the other hand, is not a major coffee producer. It only produces a small amount of coffee, and it is not a significant player in the global coffee market. There are a few reasons why Chile is not a major coffee producer. First, the climate in Chile is not ideal for coffee cultivation. Coffee plants need a warm, humid climate, and Chile's climate is more temperate. Second, the soil in Chile is not well suited for coffee cultivation. Coffee plants need rich, loamy soil, and Chile's soil is more sandy. Third, labor costs in Chile are high. Coffee production is a labor-intensive process, and the cost of labor in Chile is higher than in many other coffee-producing countries. As a result of these factors, Chile is not a major coffee producer. It only produces a small amount of coffee, and it is not a significant player in the global coffee market. Which one of the following is not a natural port/harbor of India? A. Kochi, B. Visakhapatnam, C. Chennai, D. Matgaon. The correct answer is D. Matgaon is not a natural port/harbor of India. It is a man-made port. Kochi, Visakhapatnam, and Chennai are all natural ports. They are located on the coast and have deep water that allows large ships to dock. Matgaon, on the other hand, is located on the Mandovi River. The river is not deep enough for large ships to dock, so Matgaon is a man-made port. A natural port is a harbor that is formed by the natural features of the land and sea. Natural ports are often located on the coast, where the land meets the sea. They are usually deep enough for large ships to dock, and they often have sheltered waters that protect ships from storms. A man-made port is a harbor that is created by humans. Man-made ports are often located on rivers or canals. They are usually not as deep as natural ports, and they are not always sheltered from storms. However, man-made ports can be very useful, especially in areas where there are no natural ports.